Hello everyone! In this video, we'll briefly look at the 9 examples provided on our platform that can be cloned anytime and reused for your own designs. We start with horizontal slicing for an automotive part. The output shows different line types that can be examined by toggling elements on and off, clip through layers, and analyze its geometry. All controls are accessible by expanding the slice operator. By quickly examining the tool path, we can see the part being built horizontally. Moving on to angular example. For this part, a mold tool, horizontal slicing won't work. Instead, we're slicing at a 25-degree angle and optimizing for cantilever. The analysis preview shows cantilevers over 84 degrees under certain sections. For that reason, we are optimizing for thickness, aiming for around 15 millimeters. These settings can be adjusted within the optimization settings. We've aligned the seams to preferred locations and edited tool rotations. You can see the X, Y, and Z rotations, with the Z being the nozzle direction. In the toolpath, you can either press play or drag the bar to the desired simulation. Finally, moving on to our original non-planar slicing mode, with 2 guides. We will slice between the top and bottom imported geometries, like this. These geometries can be replaced at any time, and the workflow will regenerate automatically. After editing tool rotations, let's simulate. The printer now follows the shape conformally. That's it. Follow the rest of the videos for more slicing modes and examples. Thank you for choosing Aibuild.